Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to test a heated oxygen sensor. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Disconnect the vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical shocks. Gather your essential tools, including a reliable multimeter and your vehicle's specific wiring diagrams. This preparation ensures a safe and accurate testing process. First, let's check the heater circuit resistance. Find the oxygen sensor connector and identify the two white wires. These are for the heater element. Set your multimeter to the ohm setting. Place the probes on each of the white wires to measure resistance. A healthy reading should typically fall between 2 and 9 ohms. If you get an open circuit or a very high reading, the heater element is likely faulty. Next, we'll test the heater circuit voltage. Reconnect the oxygen sensor and turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Using your multimeter, check for 12 volts at the heater wires. One wire should show approximately 12 volts, while the other should be a ground connection. If you find no voltage, this could indicate a problem with the wiring, a blown fuse, or a relay issue. Finally, let's examine the sensor's signal voltage. Start your engine and allow it to reach its normal operating temperature. Connect your multimeter to the sensor's signal wire, usually a black or blue wire, and a good ground. The voltage should fluctuate rapidly between 0.1 and 0.9 volts. If the voltage remains steady, either high or low, it strongly suggests that your oxygen sensor is not functioning correctly and likely needs replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.